Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing amazing. I know it's been forever since I did a YouTube video, but I am hoping that I'm back because I did get brand new equipment, and as you can see, there's a lot of upgrades since my last video. My last video I was like at a different location and everything, so I am super excited. So as you can see the title, we're going to do a first impression video on my Sephora unboxing. I got a bunch of new things. I wanted to switch up my foundation routine, so I got a bunch of brand new products that I want to try out. So today I'm going to apply the products and my little reviews and my opinions and all that. So let's get started. I have the box right here, which I'm so excited. And I got a bunch of things inside. I've already opened it and like took out the paper and stuff like that, but I'll show you like little by little what I got. So let's go with the foundation. I heard a lot of great things about the Nars foundations and I've never actually tried them. So I was on a hunt for a good like luminous, full coverage, but like not cakey foundation. So I stumbled upon the All Day Luminous Weightless foundation from Nars, and I got it in medium dark 1 in Syracuse. There we go. I found it to be a little watery, and I'll show you guys the color. So that is the color there. From this, like what I see from like the back of my hand, it does look medium to full coverage, and the color I got looks okay. I'm hoping that it does match, so cross your fingers on that. Next thing I have in my box here is the Sephora Microsmooth Bake Face Powder in the color Tan Bronze. I'm on a hunt for a powder, of course, so like I'm literally changing up my whole foundation routine just because I'm very bored of what I've been using before. So I got it in that color. It kind of reminds me of the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Let's see if we can focus there. You can kind of see how it looks. Sorry guys, it's still morning, so like my voice is like very rusty. So from what I feel, it feels very finely milled, and I love that feeling. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna give me like that luminosity factor to it. So I have that. So I also got the Marc Jacobs Remedy Concealer Pen. It looks like this. Let me take it out of the packaging. It's one of like those pen concealers. My color is in number 3, Up All Night. Hopefully this is my color. From what I saw online, like I found number 2 a little too pink toned, and then 4 a little dark. So hopefully number 3 is my color. So let's see on that. It does come with the metal applicator, as you can see there, which is pretty nice because it has like that cooling factor, especially in the morning. Like when you apply, yeah, it's like really cold, which is nice because in the morning my eyes are super puffy. What I heard about this is like it's a good comparison to the YSL Touche Éclat one. They're both like in the pen, but this one has the metal tip, and I believe the YSL has like that brush tip applicator, which personally I'm not crazy about. I don't go for those kind of things just because like the brush does take a lot of the product and it's expensive, you know. My last product that I got is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Compact. It's the dual use powder compact, and I got mine in the color 6.5. I'm hoping this is my shade from what I saw online, and like I've watched like so many reviews as well too, so yeah, it should be good. Just watch it. Ooh, definitely like a very good setting powder. I'll show you guys like the packaging. So this one is retails for 69 Canadian dollars, which is expensive. So hopefully it does a really good job in setting my makeup and like not changing the color of my foundation or anything like that. So I have very high hopes, and it does come with the mirror and also those sponge applicator, which I don't use. I don't find a use for it, and like a lot of bacteria really stays in the sponge, so I don't like that. Alright, so we're gonna get started with our Quick Fix by Urban Decay. It's a good prepping spray just because it has the coconut water, so it's good for hydration. And it's winter time, so hydration is a must for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Let that simmer down in my skin. And if you see, my skin is like really broken out at the moment just because I had an allergic reaction to a certain product and it's still recovering. We're gonna go ahead and apply my favorite primer, which is the Benefit Professional. I've used this for years and years and years, so it's my tried and true. I'm gonna grab just a little bit. And I focus it in the middle of my face. Okay, so now that your skin is prepped, I am going to go ahead with the foundation now. I'm going to go grab it and shake it up because it does say on the bottle to shake well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And because it is so watery, I'm just going to grab it with my finger and just apply it on my skin like that. I'm going to work from like one side to another. And I'm going to grab my damp beauty blender as well too. Wow. Can you? What? That coverage. Oh my god. And the color seems really good. My face is a little bit more whiter than my actual body just because when I tan summer, I'm always wearing makeup on my face so I don't tan my face. And then I'm gonna work on to the other side. This is like the true side where like all my redness is, basically. I don't know why on camera it's showing that like my face is a little more yellowy, but in person it's actually matching. So as you can see, I did have a lot of redness on my face and it did cover most of it. Like, I'm pretty happy with the coverage and it doesn't feel heavy at all, like comparable to like MAC Studio Fix where I used to use a lot and I used to like drench my face like a mask. It's a different feeling. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the concealer now, just the way I always do, like my face routine. I'm liking how this is like really cold under the eye. The only thing I just don't like is that I feel like this is gonna just go, which I can see already did. So that's the only thing. I feel like it's not gonna last me. So the coverage is definitely like a light to medium, which I am definitely gonna build up. Now we're gonna see how well this builds up. The color is not bad. The color is really nice. So that's good. No, I'm not crazy about this. Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead and just bake a little bit now. Just the way I always do, no matter what powder or what concealer. Don't crease. Okay. I'm gonna bake it quick. Make sure you're covered like a powdered donut, and then we're gonna like wipe it off, of course. So anywhere we just like highlighted just a little bit, I always put a little bit of powder. I'm gonna go ahead with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Powder Foundation Powder in 6.5, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Makeup Addictions Precision Powder Brush. Just gonna grab a little bit of that. Ooh. Oh, thank God, good color. I just got lucky. Feels really nice. So I'm really liking how this is looking so far. The powder feels so silky on the skin. It's beautiful, and it goes so well with the foundation just because I don't want such like full matte heavy coverage, but it did give me the coverage that I needed, which is good. And I like how it matched the rest of my body. I always put like a little bit of powder in my neck just in case. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my skin. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just finished doing all of my makeup. I did everything else, my hair, because my hair looked really bad before, so I just did some light waves in my hair. It is, let's do a time check. It is 10:43. I have an 8-hour shift, so I'll probably be back around like 9ish around there. So a little update, I'll zoom you guys in. I'm already having some creasing happening under my eye, and I usually don't get it whenever I bake under my eye, which is weird. So that's already happening. So first, I'm not crazy with the concealer, but I'm very excited with the powder and the foundation. So let's see how well that stays up, and I'll see you guys very soon. Alright guys, so it's the end of the day. It is 9:10. I just finished doing all my errands, plus I had an 8-hour shift. It has been 11 hours since I have done my makeup. I have not retouched once, so I haven't put any powder on, I haven't blocked my skin or anything, and this is the outcome. So I just zoomed you guys in real close just so you guys can see how my skin is doing now. Remember, it's been 11 hours, so I haven't blocked, I haven't touched up, I haven't done anything to my skin. My under eye, that concealer was a no-no for me, sadly. So I didn't like the concealer at all. Even when you guys saw me apply it, it wasn't the coverage that I liked. Even when I set it with the Laura Mercier powder, I didn't like the concealer, and I was actually having high hopes for it. So sadly, no. You can kind of see right there, there is some shadow peeking through. I don't like that shadow at all. Go ahead with the Giorgio Armani powder once again, and I'm just gonna retouch up the areas I need to touch up and see how this layers. This powder is so lightweight. Yeah, it did a really good job. Again, underneath my eye, there was all the concealer is basically gone. It's creased up insanely. Even when I go like this, I don't like that. It makes me look like I have old granny eyes, and I don't like that. So the powder did an amazing job. Again, it was so silky. Even when I went to go to my friends, I'm touch my face, it's so soft, and it felt so smooth. The foundation, again, for being up for 11 hours, that's not bad. And I was on my feet, I was running around, I was doing a lot of things. So your girl was busy. So I really like how it lasted. I'm really happy. Only thing is the concealer, which in my next video I might get the YSL concealers and do a first impression on that too. So thank you guys so much for tuning in my channel. I will be doing more videos like this more often, trying out new products, because I feel like even when I wasn't doing YouTube and all that stuff, I buy so much stuff and I always have my opinions on it. And we all have different skin types, different color skin and all this stuff, so it all depends. And I know that these reviews are actually really helpful. They're really helpful for me, so I always watch them. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in my channel in the new year, and I hope you guys enjoy the new upcoming videos that are going to be happening. And please let me know how this video was and how the background was, my lighting. So I love everyone's opinion. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.